Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show one of the main issue when we are installing JDK on a Linux machine using mostly a bin file. And what is the issue is it not initialize the Java virtual machine, and like this line of issues are coming into a terminal when you are sitting or exporting your Java location. Then also how to solve this issue is a simple issue. I mean, you can easily sort it out most of the time. Let's say I downloaded the file to install JDK on the Oracle JDK website, and this is the file. This is now not in executable mode. I have to type chmod x, and okay. As you see now, it's executable. I'll show you where will the issue will be okay, and how do you gonna sort it out. Now just I execute the file. It's asked me to verify that. Just press enter, and they give up a huge license to read. Then okay, now you just type in yes and press enter. Okay, just clear the terminal. Okay, as you see now, there's a new folder has been created. When you see through the folder, it's like these files are available. Okay, now we gonna export this JDK to our session. Then like it's already what you guys have to type export Java home and your path. Then I'm pressing enter, and now you have to press export path. Okay, now type Java minus version. As you see, the issue is coming. There was an error trying to initialize the HPI library, and this stuff is there. Then how do you want to sort it out? It's a simple thing. There are some missing libraries. That's the thing, this issue most of the time. Okay, your kernel doesn't support. You maybe check your kernel by type. And it's so this kernel is not a recent kernel or old kernel. It's like kernel is working perfectly. Then you don't have some modules. That the thing is to come right. I try to be sudo and I am being the root user. Okay. Then what I have to do is you guys have to install these three modules. Okay. Sudo yum install libnsl. Yeah, let me. Sometime you guys can't see it properly. I hope you guys can see it. If not, I'll definitely put this command inside this description. Go to your terminal back and press here. And it will ask you to type yes. And it will install the package. And I'm going back here, copy pasting it. While it's been installed, let's go to the other one. I'm copy pasting this line as well. Okay, it's installed. Let me install this one as well. Okay. Now I hope these three modules are installed. Now I'm going switch back to type exit or press Ctrl and E. You will go to the previous user that you were. Type enter. Now again I'll try to export Java home in here, and again I'll export path. Then you try Java minus version. Okay, as you see now you are getting the Javas in type which Java it's showing. Okay, I hope this video helped you guys, and if there's any further issues, please put a message or comment. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.